In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a privacy interior latch set on your door. Make sure the door and the door jamb are prepared correctly using the provided template. These are the components included in the kit. With the back set marking facing up on the latch, slide and turn the faceplate on. If necessary, rotate the latch so the bevel of the latch will face towards the door jamb and the marking is face up. From the side of the latch that will be inside the room, temporarily install the privacy pin. On the other side of the latch, install either the oval or round spacer and install the provided screw. Remove the privacy pin and secure with the two provided screws, verifying the bevel of the latch is facing the door jamb. Next, insert the spindle through the latch, so the end of the spindle with stops is on the same side as the privacy button, and the V-groove is positioned down towards the lower hinge. Install the exterior adapter with the door jamb marking facing the door jamb. Install the interior adapter with the door jamb marking facing the door jamb and use the supplied screws. Install exterior privacy rows with the hole in the rows towards the door edge. Install the privacy rows by threading on the rose retainer and tightening with a spanner wrench. Thread the set screw halfway into the knob. Slide a nylon washer onto the base. Align the set screw with the V-groove in the spindle and place the knob onto the spindle. Push and hold the spindle towards the exterior side of the door and tighten the set screw. Install the interior privacy rows with the hole in the rows towards the edge of the door. Thread on the rose retainer and tighten with the supplied spanner tool. Insert the privacy pin into the hole on the inside rosette and thread into the latch. Thread the set screw halfway into the knob. Install the nylon washer onto the base of the knob. Align the set screw with the V-groove in the spindle and place the knob onto the spindle. Secure the set screw with the Allen wrench provided. Test your emergency release key. Your privacy interior latch set is now installed.